In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace rear brakes on a Nissan NV2500. They're located behind the rear wheel. Once you've raised and lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you need to take off all 8 of your 21mm lug nuts. And your center cap. Once you have all lug nuts removed, remove your wheel. Your caliper is mounted to your caliper bracket with 2 10mm Allen bolts. You need to remove those here and up here. You can't fit a socket into the top bolt, so what you can do is remove your Allen from your socket. Slide the Allen over the bolt. And take it out with a 10mm ratchet wrench. You can pry your caliper off your caliper bracket down bottom here with a pry tool. Remove your caliper from your bracket and hang it off to the side. Your caliper bracket has 2 24mm bolts. You need to remove those. Once you remove those 2 bolts, slide your caliper bracket off your rotor. To remove the rotor, you can hit the rotor on the front side with a metal hammer. And remove your rotor. At this time, you can remove your slide pins and clean them with a wire brush. Put that off to the side. You can remove your rubber boot by just pulling straight down. Looking inside your rubber boot, you have debris in there. You want to get that debris out. You can do that by just cleaning it with some brake cleaner. Where your slide pin slides inside, you can clean that out with a brush like this. And a little bit of brake cleaner. Install a little bit of high heat paste inside the slide hole. Reinstall your boot. Some high heat paste on your pins. And reinstall it. Make sure it slides freely. You want to do that same on the other side. As you can see, this caliper is damaged and it needs to be replaced. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to continue on as if it was in good condition. If your caliper looks like this, you need to replace it. You need to compress your 2 pistons. You can use a tool like this. Make sure they go all the way in. And bottom out. To remove your brake shoes from your brake caliper bracket, slide them straight out to the side. Remove your clips. And clean all 4 surfaces. Install a little bit of high heat paste. And install your clips. Now you can install your brake pads onto your brake caliper bracket. Your squealer always goes to the inside. Before you install your rotor, you want to clean your hub. You can do that by using a wire brush. Spray it off with a little bit of brake cleaner. And wipe it down. And use a little bit of anti-seize. Now you can take your rotor and install it onto your studs backwards to clean your surface. Flip it around. Now you can clean this surface. Slide your caliper bracket over your rotor and install your bolts. Torque both of those bolts down to 111 foot-pounds. Now you can reinstall your caliper. You want to torque those 2 bolts down to 45 foot-pounds. If you can fit a torque wrench in here, torque your bolt. Do it to the best of your ability. At this point, you can install your wheel, hop in your driver's seat, pump your brake up until it feels firm, take it for a road test, and make sure there's no funny Once you have your wheel installed onto your vehicle, install your center cap and your lug nuts. Now you can tighten down all your lug nuts. Now you want to torque down all your lug nuts to 131 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.